Okay, guys, you might be asking,
How did I get myself in this situation?
well, it all started somewhat earlier today. We told somebody not to press a button. But guess what they did? They pressed the button. Now I have to fight. Oh, a button. Don't press it. Don't press it. Don't. Stop. Stop. Don't press it. Don't. What happened? Oh, is it like a Robux?
What are we supposed to do here?
What are we supposed to do?
Jump, 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 jump. Wait, what?
What button?
What did they do? What did they do?
Ooh. Trivia. Okay, time for trivia. 10 plus 10. 20.
Bruh, that's easy.
Okay, so let me click the button. I want to press the button. Please. Oh, I think I pressed the button. I pressed the button. Ah, no, what did I do? Oh, cool. Yay, meteors. Why not?
Meteors, why not? I just wanted to play some of my favorite games. But they had to do this to me. Wow, great.
It's called don't press the button. But you know what button you guys should press?
The subscribe button, that's the button that you guys should press to help me with this.
Oh, yeah, guys. I die. Yay.
I love die.
I commit die.
I commit die.
Anyways, you guys should also join my group. You know. I don't know. So you could be in fun videos like this. Anyways, we have to climb this building. No, the lag.
The lag is real.
Get me out of here. I don't think I'm getting out of here anytime soon. Let me click the button. Click, click. Get on top of the red platform quickly. Click. Jump, jump. Quick, get in the hole. Hey, I made it.
I made it.
That's great. Quick, get in the hole. Sure. Sure, I'll do it. Click. Click the button. Okay, guys. So, yeah. Why am I so chunky? And I just died. Dang it. Do you want me to make this Hydro's execution? My execution? PZ9. No. Not this one again. Died due to lag. Even though I pressed the jump button and still don't want to make me jump. What do you mean? Take a picture. Take a picture. How do you like that? Look at that. Nice picture, mate. Thanks. Thank you. Fire extinguisher. No, I want the picture one again. I will not get photo job. I will not get photo bombed again. What triggers people enough to even think of this? Jump, jump, jump! Bruh! Why couldn't I jump? Jump, 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 jump. Roblox, you need to fix this. You need to fix this jumping problem. You know, like, force the double jump. Force the double jump option, please. That'd be pretty good. Click. Boy, what am I supposed to do? I'm staying here. Run, collect, and protect. Run, collect, protect. I harshly blame them for staying next to there. Oh yay, we get a retry. Please don't make this be over yet. My videos do be long though. I'm surprised how long I can make videos. I'm like 11 years old or something, and I make like these long AF videos. Sorry if I sound a little quiet. Someone is sleeping.
I'm bald now.
Quick, dodge those lasers. Whatever you say, fam. Oh, no.
What the heck?
Give me another try. Give me a retry, please. Oh, yay. It gives me a retry. That wasn't fair. The tornado spawned right on top of my head. Eat. Boy. I made it. I saw that. You don't shoot me away one more time, please. Bacon hair actually spawned in. No. Please, I don't want to get eaten. My dude's tongue do belong though. Go back. Trying to run back from quarantine do be like this though. Fine, I'll get eaten, I guess. If I'm gonna get eaten, I want to. Nope. Trivia question. I choose the correct answer. Nope, I'm not falling for it.
I knew it.
The cake's always a lie. When is it not? Noob. Ha, you're a noob for falling for that. Nope, copyrighted music. This is from Jack and Jellify. I did it. There is no what if. Robux. Oh my gosh, is this all Robux? Thank you for all the Robux. Robux. Watch out, Durable is coming.
That's pretty good.
Do I get to turn it up now? I think I just pressed the button again. Oh no, what do I have to do this time?
That's a lot of damage.
I mean, like, that is a lot of damage, my dude, but, like...
Still, that is not cool. Quick, get in the hole.
Whatever you say, my man.
Like and Fox. That's all I have to tell you guys. To stay alive, all I have to do is join my group to be in fun videos like this. That's the key to life. I was like, someone came in here with about these basics. But then I was literally... What is this? Someone lead him off the edge. I'm just glad, dude, you guys are just glad I don't have face cam on. Nope. 3, 2, 1. Fight. What do you say? What do you mean? Do I get another try? Do I get a retry? Or do I spawn up here? Yep, I spawn up here. Get away with your Robux. I don't want Robux right now. We are still up here.
Oh, yeah, yes, guys.
I heard if you like and subscribe, you get free Robux. Like right here, right now. So subscribe.
Subscribe.
Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe yet? So you have to say that it was a lie. Haha. Y'all got trolled. Anyway, like and subscribe. See you next time. And have a purple hair. Bye-bye.